For thousands of years, the California condor soared along the Pacific coast, and the cliffs, canyons, grasslands, and forests of the American West. This largest flying land bird in North America,
one of the rarest birds in the world. The California condor was actually considered extinct in the wild in the 1980s, after human intervention had the remaining known wild population placed in captive care. Why would we do this? These birds might have gone completely extinct otherwise. Today, California condor.
Once these birds reach maturation, they search for a mate, which can happen between 6 and 8 years old for them. And once they do find one, they mate for life. Romantic, right?
At the tail end of a mild California winter, nesting season has begun on the Hopper Mountain National Wildlife Refuge.